Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. So today I've got a new model tailor and we're going to go for that slick back pony that's really in at the moment, but we're going to do our own little twist and we're going to have a really big ponytail. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So I'm going to start off by just taking a section of hair from the bottom here. What I want you to do is just place that section into an elastic just off the neckline, so not right at the bottom here, just kind of off that neckline like that. And then I'm going to do another ponytail, just sectioning off. One section here, one section there. And again, you're just going to place that section of hair into the ponytail. Like so. So I'm just going to place this second ponytail out of my way for a moment and we're going to start on this bottom one here. And then I'm just going to take a wand and we're going to curl this section of hair away from the face. Then another one, and then I want you to do the same on the other side, away from the face, so the opposite direction. And then I want you to come to the very side bits of this ponytail. Use a little bit of backcomb product and I'm going to backcomb this way, so heading towards the centre of the head like this. And then I'm going to take a hair grip and just slide that up there like that, so that's sitting right on the head like that. And then I want you to do the same on this side, leaving that central bit. And then again we're just going to slide that hair grip there. And then I'm going to come to this central bit and we're going to backcomb this coming down like this. So next you're going to release ponytail number 2 and I want you to repeat this process again. Just take your time, splitting it into 3. And again I'm just doing a gentle brush out to start with. So next what I'm going to do is I've got a middle part here and I'm just going to take my comb and just part off this top section of hair to the ear. So same on this side. And then what I want you to do now is do a really, really nice tight ponytail on the crown, and you've got to remember that this section of hair now is going to be the top of the ponytail, so where you put this is where the top is going to sit. And then I'm just going to clip this hair out of the way for a bit. So now we're going to be working with these 2 front sections. So I don't want any flyaways, especially just on this bit. So I'm just going to use like a light hold wax spray. So I'm just taking my comb now and just really working that product through the hair. And then you'll just combine these 2 together at the back. So again, you're going to curl these sections in exactly the same way. So we're on to this last ponytail now, and this is the bit that you're really going to concentrate on. This is what's going to give us that nice lift to the pony. We've sort of done all the underneath bit now. So take your time, curl these in fairly small sections, exactly the same way as you've done throughout this style. So I'm just going to borrow a very small section of hair, and this is what we're going to wrap around the top. And then I want you to come to the top of this ponytail, taking very small sections, and you're going to backcomb about 1 inch to 1.5 inches up. So I'm going to just take this last strand of hair and just drape it across the ponytail here. So I'm just going to drape that over the top, like so, and then just pin that into place. And then with our front bits here, I'm just going to create just a little bit of a bend. I don't want them curly, just that little bit just to frame the face. So this is our final look on Taylor. I'm really pleased with how the volume came out, and I love the fact that because we split the ponytails and sort of pin them to the side, there's no gaps to the side, which sometimes happens when you sort of make ponytails like that. This is the back, so it looks like she's got loads of hair. And then we just did a tiny little curl at the front. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.